Hi everybody. Today we are going to study the verb to be. If you're new to this channel, my name is Chanda and I'm your English teacher. In this class, we are going to study the grammar and the pronunciation as well. Be. The verb be in the present has three. What are they? Am, is, are. So in the present, the verb be has am, is, and are. With I, you, we, they, he, she, it, I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, and it is. Okay. I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is. Alright. I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is. I, you, we, they, he, she, it are subject pronouns. Okay? Subject pronouns. I, you, we, they, he, she, it are pronouns. I, we, you, they, he, she, it are pronouns. So you know when to use am, is, and are with the subject pronouns. Alright? I, you use with am. You, we, they, use with are. He, she, it, you use is. Alright, use is. How about when you start a sentence with a noun? Okay? When the subject of a sentence is a noun, not pronouns. Example, my brother, my brothers. Okay, my brothers and my brothers. So my brothers. Okay, my brother. This noun, okay, brother is singular. What is singular? Singular means one. Okay, singular means one. So, one, right? Okay, singular, my brother, one brother, right? My one brother. My brothers, okay, you see the S here. Now you know that brothers, this noun is plural. P-L-U, plural. Okay, plural. What is plural? Plural means two or more. Okay, two or more. Okay, plural. Usually, in English, we add s to the noun when the noun is plural. Okay. Or are plural, right? So, my brother, singular, my brothers, plural. Okay? Now, when you have to use verb to be, am, is, or are with the noun, the subject that is a noun, you need to understand whether it is singular or plurals. Okay, plural. When it is singular, my brother, you say is. And my brothers, plural, you use are. Is it easy? Okay, remember. Okay, remember. Now you know. Okay, now you know when to use subject pronouns with the verb to be, and the subjects that are not pronouns, or the subject that is not pronoun. You need to understand whether the subject is singular or plural. Okay? With singular subject, you use with is. Plural subject, you use are. Okay? Alright, so back to I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is. These are the full form of to be. So you see here, I and am, 2 words. Okay? You and are, 2 words. Alright, 2 words. You can make this shorter. Okay? You can make this shorter. So how? How do you make it shorter than this? I am. You say I'm. 1. I'm. You are. You're. We are. We're. We're. Okay. They are. They're. Alright, they are. There. He is. He's. She is. She's. And it is. It's. Okay? Now you see this shorter and easier to say than this. Not always easy, but it's shorter and it's quicker. I am, I'm. You are, you're. We are, we're. They are, they're. He is, his. She is, she's. It is, it's. Okay? Practice this, right? Remember, we are not only learning the grammar, we also studying the pronunciation. Okay? Alright. Now, finish this one and go to the quiz. You are going to complete the sentences using am, is, or are. Okay? These are the full sentences. You need to complete these sentences with the verb am, is, or are. Alright. We from London. We from London. We are from London. Everyone happy. Everyone is happy. They doctors. They are doctors. The children clever. The children are clever. The child clever. The child is clever. Today is, yes, today is. And it is. Okay. Alright, I'm going to explain you a little bit, okay, about this. We are from London. We are from London. This is London. We are from London. Everyone is happy. Remember the word everyone? You use is. Everyone is happy. They are doctors. They are doctors. The children are clever. So the children, the word children, you don't see as here, but this word is plural. Okay. Remember, okay, plural. The child means one. Okay, one child. So the noun here is singular. Okay, it's singular, right? Singular. So I just write S here, singular, right? Okay, today one singular. It is okay. Hot today. All right. Now you know how to use the verb to be in the sentence or in sentences. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching. This is the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much. See you guys again soon. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Subscribe, then click the bell. Click like if you like this video and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. ជម្រាបលា